So Vivek, firstly, this, the association with the Congress party which has boycotted the Ram Mandir event is going to work against the Samajwadi party. That's one point. Second is the very aggressive campaigning of the Prime Minister. Now tomorrow, Amroha, Meerut, Bagpat, Ghaziabad, Gautam Budh Nagar, Noida, Bulandshahr, Aligarh and Mathura are voting. Right? Estimation of BJP 70 plus is easy for them this time. Your take?
Good evening to you, Arna. I think it's very incredibly surprising what the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister is saying in Uttar Pradesh. I don't think the people of the entire country are going to believe them. Did you hear a word about unemployment? No. Did you hear a word about inflation? No. Corruption? No. Youth that are suffering? No. Farmers, by 2022, their income was promised to be doubled? No. Smart cities? No. Bullet trains? No. 2 crore jobs? No. And above all, the Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath ji, says that the Congress and the Samajwadi Party are going to implement the Sharia law. Do you think the Indians or the people of India or the voters, especially the youth, anyone for that matter, are going to believe them? The Congress has served the country for
But you want that, no? But isn't it true that you want triple talaq back?
Who said that?
You are for the abolition of triple talaq? I'll carry it as breaking news right now.
If triple talaq, Arnab,
Abhi confused
you know what? No, confused नहीं हो गया. Confused आप हैं, confused भारतीय जनता पार्टी है, और confused भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो समर्थक दिख रहे हैं वो भी हैं. उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता ना, देश की जनता, ये सब मंगलसूत्र छीन लेंगे, सोना बिकवा देंगे. कौन मटन खा रहा है, कौन मछली खा रहा है? आप अर्नब जी, आप सोचते हैं इस पे वोट पड़ेगा? नहीं पड़ेगा. बहुत बड़ी गलतफहमी. You said 70 to 75. Bharatiya Janata Party will be down the drain, not only in Uttar Pradesh, but even in Bihar and entire North India. In the South India, they are absolutely khatam. Finished. Bharatiya Janata Party is not going to bounce back. You see the percentage of voting. I'll tell you a very technical thing. You see the percentage of voting which has dipped to almost 7 to 8%. Why? People are not, the core voter of the Bharatiya Janata Party is not coming out
but
to
are
vote.
are the places in the first phase which went, 1 minute, in the first phase which went, Saharanpur, Kairana, Muzaffarnagar, Bijnor, Nagina, Moradabad, Rampur and Pilibhit, relatively Muslim population is higher, no, than in the other areas. So the voting percentage is lower there. What does it indicate? It should be obvious to you that Muslims have not come out and voted for you. Because this time the Muslims feel, everybody believes that the BJP is going to win. Maybe that is the interpretation that they have in their mind. Your Muslim vote bank is not voting for you, or maybe they are voting for the BJP. My point to you is...
That is your perception.
No, not my perception. No.
Yeah, it is. You're making up stories here.
There's no story I'm making up. I'm just saying that maybe...
We can sit on the fourth. We can sit on...
Okay, we'll sit on the fourth. We'll sit on the fourth. Sanju is rebutting you. Question being...
Sanju will go back into history. I know.
Oh my God, can I please? This is not done. I did not interrupt this man even once when he was talking. No, this is not the way to debate. Why should I listen to his gibberish? I did not heckle him. Thank you.
Carry on.
Thank you. You know, Arnab, with no offense to the Samajwadi Party spokesperson, but I remember Uttar Pradesh के 2022 के चुनाव के नतीजों से पहले डंके की चोट पर सीना तान के कहते थे, अब की बार तो योगी गए, अब की बार तो डबल इंजन सरकार गई. And guess what? Consistently we've been maintaining a vote share in excess of 43%. In the last 15 years, the highest vote share that the Samajwadi Party garnered was in 2022 at 32.4%. But मजे की बात देखिए, इनका वोट शेयर 11% बढ़ा 2022 में. 11% वोट शेयर में बढ़ोतरी होने के बावजूद Akhilesh Yadav was restrained at 111 seats, and for the first time in 37 years, the sitting Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath made history by romping back to power. सबने कहा योगी आदित्यनाथ तो कुछ भी हो जाए, दोबारा मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनेंगे. Today you guys have a nice big fat omelette on your face. That's besides the point. Tomorrow, Western UP has some very important seats going to polls, Arnab, and don't forget, anybody who knows UP's economy and politics knows, I'm sure Shantanu will corroborate this. The sugar lobby is very strong in Western UP. और आपको याद होगा when Akhilesh Yadav was routed way back in 2017, we were saddled with debt of 56,000 crore by way of dues that was owed to sugarcane lobby, the cane growers and poor farmers. पिछले 7-8 सालों में मोदी सरकार ने 1.4 लाख करोड़ के ड्यूज एंड अरियर्स दिए हैं शुगर केन फार्मर्स को एंड केन ग्रोअर्स को. टुडे दी एफआरपी ऑफ शुगर केन इज फिक्स्ड एट 340 रुपीज अ क्विंटल. अखिलेश यादव के जमाने में, कांग्रेस के जमाने में दिस वाज लेस देन 200 रुपीज अ क्विंटल, which means that there's almost a 73-75% jump in the FRP of sugarcane prices in the last 9 or 10 years of the Modi dispensation. तो इसलिए यहां बैठकर बिना तथ्यों के बात मत कीजिए. I will just end by saying one thing.